Hello, this video is going to go over chapter 26, which is the water balance chapter, objective 3. So what is the regulation of the intracellular fluid composition? When we're looking at the intracellular fluid, keep in mind we're looking at what's happening inside the cell. So a little different than the whole previous objective where we were talking about extracellular fluid. We're talking about what's inside the cell right now. So first off, let's take a look at these large organic molecules right here, such as proteins. They cannot cross the plasma membrane. They are created inside the cell. Remember, ribosomes are involved in making those proteins. But they influence the concentration of solutes inside the cell. So the transportation of ions such as sodium, potassium, and calcium, these cross the plasma membrane and influence the concentration of ions inside and outside the cell. Number 3, we've got this electrical charge difference right here. So notice, remember, the inside of the cell is going to be negatively charged. The outside is going to be positively charged. And this influences the distribution of the ions inside and outside the cell. And then the last thing is the distribution of water inside and outside the cell is determined by osmosis. So you have got 4 components that contribute to the intracellular fluid composition: large organic molecules inside the cell, the transportation of ions across the plasma membrane going both directions, electrical charge difference, and the movement of water. The regulation of intracellular fluid, like we said just a second ago, is regulated by osmosis, charge difference, concentration difference. This includes the ions and the proteins. And that concludes objective 3.